fought. Yeah, he was.
Come on. All right, y'all ready? Oh, I've been stuck in the big old hole. Oh my. Oh, wow, that's fun. Yeah. Hey,
Good morning, everyone. With all the power I have, I'm gonna tell you that I have no idea what I'm gonna do today. Seriously, I have no idea what I'm gonna do for you. Maybe some random clips. I don't know. I'm on bed right now. I just woke up very late to show you the time. Now it's 12:43. I woke up at 11 o'clock. Yesterday I slept at 3 o'clock. If you follow my Instagram, you definitely know. And I was drawing. You will see that clip. First, I'm gonna finish my coffee and then we will start. I will take you through that. Maybe can we call this day in the life now? I'm not going to record whole day. Let's see. We'll see. I will decide by the end of the video.
എന്താ ഫോൺ എവിടെ ഇരിക്കുന്നു?
Hiding under the slab, man. It's not going to come out until you feel like it's safe. It's safe to come out. cold. Who said you can sit there? No.
Hello, I am Mr. Michael. Hello, I'm Michael, and this is my. Okay, this is my room, and I need to show you something. My big car. Yeah. Boom, boom, boom. And look at my dinosaur. And you can jump. Oh, yes. Okay, this is my bike, and this is going to be very crazy about this human. Look, the human can do like this, okay? And then look what the bike do when I try to pop out. This cuts out, and look, this transforms.
Eating ice cream in the negative degree.
Oh no! I'm gonna blow my head up and my eye.
Okay friends, okay world. So I hope you enjoyed a small clip. I don't know how small is that, but I hope you enjoyed the small clip.
Also, me.
Yeah, and also he's vlogging, and if you are not subscribed yet, make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss another video on Monday, all Mondays, every Mondays. So this is us signing off from It's Lens Life.
Also for Michael's.
We signed off.
So Michael's
No,
Linta.
we signed off. Come on, you.
Michael's the T-Rex life. Michael's T-Rex life. Michael's T-Rex life.
Okay, that's not how you're signing off. You say, this is Excellence Life signing off from today.
No, I'm not Lynn.
That's how you sign off.
I'm not Lynn's life.
Okay, Michael's life.
Michael's life. Sign off. Oops.